everybody, this is Anna James here from Lexus of Jacksonville in the Technology Department. Today I'm here to show you some of the basic functions in your navigation system. With that being said, let's get right into the video. We will start off by selecting the magnifying glass for the navigation options. In Home, you'll be able to save your home address. You will have the options to use your current location if you are in your driveway, or you can type in your home address. In Search, you will have the options to either type in the address with the keyboard or use the microphone located at the top left to verbally say the address. In Destination Assist, you have the option to connect to a live agent and have them automatically put any address into your navigation. You can ask for a specific address or locate any stores, restaurants, etc. This service is only available through a subscription on the Lexus app through Lexus Inform. In Favorites, you will locate a list of any address you've saved by using the Save button, usually located on the bottom left of your screen before you click Go to start your route guidance. Recents will be your history list for your navigation system. In Emergency, you will have any police stations, hospitals, fire stations, and dealerships pop up in your area in case of emergencies. Alright everybody, that's going to conclude today's video on some of the basic functions in your navigation system. Thank you for watching.